MI captain, Hardik Pandya! Why does MI not have the representation of the trophies, the 5 stars on the jersey?
You know, we are very fortunate. We have 5 already. और आगे डालने के लिए फिर जगह नहीं बचेगी तो फिर फ्यूचर में
When you walk out at the one killing and the crowd's chanting your name, what do you have to say?
current example for me which I have to mention was the semi-final. The kind of atmosphere which we created for India against India versus England, the semi-final in Wankhede. They also, when they come behind, they also want, if they come behind, what happens?
Can you describe the Paltan fans in one word?
I think it's called Dhadkan.
When you go to the ground, it's a big match. You gotta get into the zone. What are you listening to? What's your go-to track?
Anyone who knows me personally knows that I start my day with Hanuman Chalisa.
Rasakan Mumbai! भाई में boss, भाई में बचाएंगे? To give company to a darling from the West Indies is the man from the west of India. And unka all-round talent you will not find in the rest of India. Call him the comeback king, the clutch, the engine room, MI captain, Hardik Pandya! That is some serious love. We always wonder, from outside, what it must feel when you step onto the field with these iconic fans. Vibe kya hai? Essence kya hai? MI Paltan, the identity kya hai?
See, first of all, I pray for this love. Every individual who comes here wants us to do well. The kind of love, the kind of support they give. I think Paulie can second that. That is the added motivation, added fuel to our performances, our efforts. So, yeah, the crowd creates the players, so which is, we are very grateful for.
अपना ही शो समझो, जब चीखने का है, जब चिल्लाने का है, जब ताली बजाने का है, जब सीटी बजाने का बजाओ. Now we'll ask you a question that every MI fan wants to know. Hardik, what are your dreams and goals for this team? And what will be the legacy of Hardik Pandya for Mumbai Indians?
See, ultimate dream is to win the IPL for the 6th time for our Paltan. And at the same point of time, the legacy, I think MI already has such amazing legacy. But I think I still remember जब मैं नया लड़का आया था, जो जुनून था, जितना मेहनत करके पूरी टीम ने सपोर्ट करके आगे लाया. I think going forward for our team and for Mumbai Indians, I want that culture to be there where people come out, work hard, play the best kind of cricket. I really want us to represent the best cricket which Mumbai Indians have ever played and the best cricket what Hardik Pandya has ever played, and that's what I want my legacy to be, and so for Mumbai Indians. And trophies as many as possible.
A lot of fans want to know, why does MI not have the representation of the trophies, the 5 stars on the jersey? Right? Why are the 5 stars not there on the jersey? What's the story?
I think the honest answer is that MI, we want to win as many as possible. We are very fortunate. We have 5 already. और आगे डालने के लिए फिर जगह नहीं बचेगी तो फिर फ्यूचर में
When this boy came many years ago, Hardik, why don't you take all of us on a little nostalgic trip? Hardik Pandya, how were you scouted? What's the story about you reaching from Baroda to this dreamland at MI? Yes, he was there. Captain, trophies.
Before I played for Momentins, I was just a pure batter who batted for all his 17 years, 19 years, all his young age. From there, I only knew one thing, which is like if you tell me to run 12 rounds, I'll run 15 rounds. So from there, out of the blue, someone sees me. In 1 year later, I play for Ranji Trophy. But all of a sudden, there is Mumbai Indian scouts are there in the stadium. I'm playing a Ranji game. They're not even come to see me. That's the beauty about it. They've not even come to see me. Luckily, God was kind that I did well in that game. That shows the scouting, that shows the talent which the scouting has, that they didn't even come to see me, but they were able to identify that this kid has something special and will play for us for long. So that is what Mumbai Indian scouting does. That is what, it does. That's fantastic. You don't get that much.
Only a batter for 15, 17 years. So when did this bowling thing start and when was the all-rounder Hardik Pandya ready for it?
Yes, I think I had to adapt. I had no idea how to look after my body. I had no idea what it requires to be all-rounder. The only thing which I knew, and I think I tell all the youngsters, irrespective of what, I know how to work hard. And no matter how much someone will push, no matter how much कुछ दुनिया ऊपर से नीचे हो जाए, मुझे एक चीज पता है कि मेहनत कोई नहीं छीन सकता और मैं मेहनत पे मानता हूँ. I think that's what helped me do that.
When you walk out at the one hitting and the crowd's chanting your name, what do you have to say to the MI fans, to the Paltan that's gathered here today?
I think that's really straight from my heart. I think I'll speak from my heart in this. देखो मुझे ना प्यार फील करना बहुत पसंद है. आई थिंक जो क्रिकेटर हार्दिक जो बूस्ट मिलता है हमको, ये वही प्यार से होता है. जब ये लोग चिल्लाते हैं, इनके they are there out there no matter what happens. We are winning the game, we are not winning the game, they're still backing us. I think I crave for that love. For me, it's so exciting. I come from a place where I think I found very difficult to find my place early age in my Mumbai Indians was the one team which I actually came and they were like, you know what, ऐसा भी character हो सकता है और ऐसा भी आगे जाके खेलेगा इतना cricket. So for me, what they feel is they give me the fuel to go out there, put my heart out. I think it's for the whole team, but for me personally, I love, the current example for me which I have to mention was the semi-final. The kind of atmosphere which we created for India against India versus England, the semi-final in Wankhede. They also, when they come behind, they also want, if they come behind, what happens?
The fan सच्चा वही होता है जो अच्छे दिन बुरे दिन में साथ खड़ा होता है टीम की आवाज बन के, and that's what the Paltan fans have been and they should be very proud of it. Can you describe the Paltan fans in one word? In one word.
I think it's called Dhadkan. I like to give answer as well, explanation. I think without the Dhadkan you can't do anything. Without the Dhadkan I can't hit sixes. Without the Dhadkan I can't run. So without the Dhadkan of our fans, I don't think Mumbai Indians can be Mumbai Indians. So the Paltans are our Dhadkan. I said they are the heartbeat of us. So the Paltan is our heartbeat. Without them we can't operate. Without heartbeat we can't operate.
Paulie, you're from Trinidad. There has been enough and more of Bollywood and Indian influence. You would have known Dhadkan. Why don't you look at them and just do Dhadkan with your little arms spread up. Dhadkan. The love that you get from the Paltan, धड़कन है, इस प्यार के मायने क्या है?
It is very close to all of us, Harsh, because क्रिकेट हम लोग को यस हमको भी ट्रॉफी जीतनी है बट विदाउट इनको खुशियों के बिना हम कैसे जीतेंगे सो आई थिंक इट मीन्स अ लॉट इट हैज सो मच लव इट हैज so much joy and I think that's called family, you know, that's family is how you turn up. Family is like you take care of each other irrespective of what happens. You want it, you don't want it, but they look after you. That's what family does.
Well done, family. But Hardik, your go-to track. You know, one final question before I take questions. आप सबके question देंगे भाई लोग? वो question है मेरे पास, वो पूछने वाला हूँ. But when you're going to the ground, it's a big match. You gotta get into the zone. What are you listening to? What's your go-to track?
My go-to track, I think anyone who knows me personally knows that I start my day with Hanuman Chalisa. I sit in my car, first thing plays is Hanuman Chalisa.